Hey travelers, looking for a compact campervan for 4 to travel? I'm going to introduce you to this model. A spacious living room with swiveling seats, a practical kitchen with a stove and running water. You're going to have hot and cold water everywhere. You're going to have large storage spaces on the upper cabinets, on the top, and all these drawers here to store all your stuff. A spacious fridge with a freezer included to store all your food. An integrated bathroom with toilet, hot water for the shower, and a sink. 2 large beds and a lot of space to store your bags. Easy to operate windows all around the car. All of them with the mosquito nets and the blackout for your privacy. A compact and easy to drive vehicle with a low consumption, radio that you can pair your phone with Bluetooth, and AC for the trip.